The Talon 22 and Tempest 20 provide a great option for day-long hiking and adventure racing. Features include super light YKK buckles, stretch side woven pockets, zippered hip belt pockets, external hydration sleeve, front panel stretch mesh pocket, ice tool attachment loops with bungee tie-offs, stow-on-the-go trekking pole attachment, AirScape back panel, gender-specific torso adjustable BioStretch harness, gender-specific BioStretch hip belt, panel load access, torso adjustable harness, top slash pocket, lid lock helmet attachment, blinker light attachment.
The Katadyn BeFree 1-liter collapsible filter is the perfect smash, stash, and go water filter for on-the-go lifestyles. For the adventure traveler who packs for weight savings while abroad, the BeFree 1-liter will become a staple in your luggage and your most innovative companion, whether refilling at the airport or at the stream near your final destination. With the BeFree filter, you no longer have to worry about where your next drink will come from. Carry and filter fresh water as you go. The BeFree filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria, even in the most challenging water conditions. The BeFree filter is designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of back flushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. The BeFree filter's water measurements allow you to easily measure and refill companion bottles and cook or wash dishes at camp. Smash, stash, and go with the BeFree for every outdoor and travel adventure. The BeFree easily packs down into your day pack, jacket pocket, and travel luggage. The BeFree 1-liter filter is the ideal size for a variety of front and back country travel. Hikers, runners, cyclists, travelers, and campers love the BeFree for its ability to hydrate users no matter where their journey takes them.
Microgravity uses Outdoor Research's proprietary and exclusive Essential technology for best-in-class air permeability, comfort, and waterproof protection. Every feature of the microgravity is designed to work with the gear you're carrying in the Alpine, including a helmet-compatible hood with hood lock, waterproof zippers to protect pockets completely, and dynamic reach underarm panels that complement the stretchy Essential fabric. And the microgravity is tough. Its ripstop fabric won't tear or wear down with heavy use, even under a heavy harness or tight backpack straps. Never choose between burly protection and breathability again with the Microgravity Essential jacket from Outdoor Research.
Hi, I'm Mike Seacott here. I'm the man behind Tent Lab, and I'm the designer of this little baby right here, the Deuce of Spades. What this is it's a backcountry trowel for digging a hole when you need to poop in the woods. It has three things that are really unique about it. First is, as is fitting for something you're going to carry for hours and hours, it's extremely lightweight. This weighs 0.6 ounces, 17 grams, rounding up. Second thing is, it's made out of aerospace grade 7075 T6 aluminum. So it's incredibly tough too. This is something that's going to last years and years. The third thing is something that's very unique and different. You can use this trowel the regular way, like this, or you can flip it around, put your hand at the scoop end, holding it like that, and you quadruple the amount of force that you bring to bear on what would normally be the handle end. So this is really effective for digging down into hard dirt, wheedling out rocks. Then you flip it around and you use the rather large scoop end to pull the dirt back out. It's a really effective digging tool. Let's go dig a hole. And what do you know? I found just the spot. Right here. So, first, as is normal, you move some leaves away. Using the small end, we're going to perforate our way to a nice hole here. Ah, mosquitoes have found me.
So there's a first round. It's not easy ground. This stuff is solid. There's that first rock.
That.
Okay, so some roots here. Nothing too big, 8 inch.
Okay, there you go.
With an amazing full feature set, high lumen output, and intuitive 2-button architecture, the Spot is a premium headlamp that's ready for any big adventure. You'll notice that the Spot has a 3-lens configuration, each providing unique options to fulfill a wide variety of lighting needs. The distance beam was optimized for active situations, while the proximity beam is perfect for around camp and while reading. Our third beam includes a red LED for times when preserving your night vision is necessary. The Spot headlamp utilizes brightness memory to come on in your previously selected mode and brightness setting. To turn on, press the large main button on the top of the headlamp once. Our 6th setting 3 LED battery meter located on the side of the front housing indicates the level of battery life remaining. You can brighten and dim the light within any mode by holding down the main button. Let go when your desired level of brightness is reached. If you want maximum brightness at any point, just tap the right side of your headlamp to engage Power Tap. To easily switch between your multiple lens options, we've added a secondary mode selector button. In order to use the strobe mode at any point, double-click the main button and whatever mode you are in will strobe. Powered by 3 AAA cells, the Spot can run off of the included alkaline batteries or can utilize nickel metal hydride or lithium batteries as well. Our digital lockout feature safeguards against accidental use when stored in a pack or pocket. To lock your headlamp while it's off, hold down both buttons for 3 seconds. To unlock, hold down again for 3 seconds. With a submersible waterproof rating of IPX8, each headlamp is individually tested to ensure operation at 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. If submerged, open the battery compartment and allow it to completely dry out before your next use. With woven elastic headbands in both perforated and solid designs, you'll be sure to find a color and headband combination to fit your individual needs. As you can see, the Spot is an amazingly versatile headlamp with a stunning design and intuitive user interface.
If you like to backpack, hike, climb, or run rivers, you need the ultralight and watertight 0.7. At a little over 6 ounces, this kit is designed for adventures where every ounce counts and exposure to the elements will be an issue. Inside the 0.7, everything is protected in a tough, Dryflex waterproof bag. Everything is stored inside of an ultralight sil nylon bag that is seam sealed to provide layers of protection. Rain, snow, water, sandstorms, nothing will get inside these bags. Inside, you will find quality supplies you have come to expect from Adventure Medical Kits, including butterfly wound closure strips to close wound edges, sterile dressings, bandages, antibiotic ointment, and antiseptic towelettes to dress wounds and help prevent infection. Pre-cut and shaved moleskin blister dressings make easy work of treating blisters and hot spots. No scissors required. Inside are medications for muscle inflammation, pain, and allergic reactions. Our exclusive precision-pointed splinter pickers will help you remove the finest of slivers and ticks. And duct tape for everything else. The ultralight watertight 0.7 is designed for 1 to 2 people for up to 4 days and will help you treat the minor or major illnesses and injuries and to get you back on your feet, in your kayak, or on your bike as quickly as possible. Tested, abused, and approved by adventure racers all over the world, the ultralight watertight series will be up to any adventure you throw at it.